look at that. New screen protector from Whitestone Dome. And the fingerprint reader works perfect. I'm gonna show you how to install it next. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have an awesome tempered glass for your Pixel 6 Pro. That's right. This has a beautiful display, so you want to make sure that you get a nice screen protector on it. And I received a screen protector from a company called Whitestone Dome Glass. Now, I picked this up on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. Some other links too. You can pick it up directly from Whitestone Dome if you'd like to do that. They give you 2 of everything. So they lay it out for you here. They have all these different things that you need to install the Whitestone Dome. Now, there's a few things. Make sure you wash your hands. Make sure you're on a level surface. And make sure you turn off your device. You don't want your device on for this. But I'm going to show you step by step how to install this. It can be nerve-wracking. When I first did this, I get super nervous. I still do. Even in this video, you'll probably see my hand shake. But that's part of the fun of actually doing this. But you follow step by step and you're going to be okay. And you're going to see this is going to look really good on your Pixel 6 Pro or your Pixel 6 or any other device that you get Whitestone Dome for. So let's get into it without further ado. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to put these on the side of your device. Now, these are going to cover the ports or the buttons or whatever they are, and it's so that no glue gets inside the device at all. So we'll go ahead and put these on. All right, so once you have all these sides with the tape so that you don't get anything in there, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take these little sponge things and you're gonna put it here on the side of the jig. This is the jig where you're gonna put in the device so that you can install the glass. So you're gonna put it right in there and you're gonna put one on each side. So next step you're gonna do is you're gonna put the device inside of here. Now, there's a, you'll see it'll say speaker here at the top, Pixel 6 Pro. And what you do is you just kind of snap it in place and it fits real nice like that, see? You don't have to worry about it. Everything is set up there real nice. And then what you wanna do is you wanna wipe down the device with this wet cloth. And then you want to dry it and then use the dust removal or dust absorber stickers. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put this speaker cover at the top here. And what it does is it attaches here to the top, and then you're gonna grab this piece here and that kind of locks it in place so that it doesn't move during the installation. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to take this bridge here, and this goes here at the top. Then the next thing you want to do is take your glue here and undo the pink top first, and that goes here. You kind of screw it in there and you're gonna let it come out and let it spread for 30 seconds. All right, once all your glue is out, you want to take that and put that to the side, and then you want to put in your tab here. This tab here goes at the top, and that holds your screen protector so that you can place it on there. So you grab your screen protector, you rip off the sticker, and then you're gonna simply place it in the bottom first. and then it touches there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna tilt this jig so that the glue goes to the center, and then when it's in the center, you're gonna pull your tab. So here we go. Pull the tab. And then you're gonna let that spread out. They say wait 100 seconds, so wait about 2 minutes. And then you want it to fully engulf your whole front of your device so that everything is completely covered. And be patient, it'll cover it, don't worry about it. It'll fill that whole thing up so that you won't have to worry about you know, it not spreading all the way through. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to take your UV light, you got to plug it in, and you press it once for 15 seconds. Now, you want to do the bottom, the middle, and the top, so we're going to go ahead and push for 15. All right, once that's done, you're going to remove this here. Then you're going to pop the device out very softly, gently. You put the jig to the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to take off our little side pads here. The other thing I like to do too is I like to push here where the fingerprint will be for like 15 seconds just to give it a little help so that the fingerprint works properly. And then you're going to take your wet wipe and you're going to go in one direction and just wipe down the sides of the device to make sure there's no glue or anything like that. And I go around twice on each side just to make sure everything is good to go. And then your final step, you're going to put your device down, and then you're going to hit the button twice and do 60 seconds on the bottom and then 60 seconds on the top. All right, after you do 60 seconds on the top and bottom, you're gonna wipe down the sides again just to make sure there's no glue. And then you're gonna power on the device and we're gonna check out the fingerprint reader to make sure that it works, or you may have to register another one, but I'm hoping that we could just use the one that was in there. We'll be good to go. All right, so we got this turned on. Everything is freshly installed. As you can see there, it looks absolutely phenomenal. The Whitestone Dome, as far as the fingerprint reader, it works. You can register another one. I probably will, just to have the one before and the one after, but it does work. You don't have any issues with it not working. So you're right in, not a problem at all. Now, as far as the Whitestone Dome and cases, it works with most cases, probably 99% of them. The one thing I will tell you, make sure you let it sit overnight or a few hours so to make sure everything's set. But these cases will work. This is the Ghostek case, so you have no issues there. I mean, everything is perfect. Look at this install of the Whitestone Dome on the Pixel 6 Pro. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So one of the best. Link down in the description if you want to pick it up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you know when more videos like this are coming. But that's how you install the Whitestone Dome on the Pixel 6 Pro or the Pixel 6. Thanks so much for watching. Peace, party people.